All right, WMC, this is a video to find the winner of the Jersey Choice number 3. So we'll check the time, May 25th at 10:05 a.m. We'll go over to the Raz and type live. We have May 25th at 10:05 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 2 is your winner. So, Jason, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 25th, 10:05 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.